Don't cut. Please cut. Put it and we have an extra. I'm recording on my I didn't notice your heart rate increases when you get scared. Okay, that's good. Let's make sure that you can pass.
Ew! What the heck? I don't want that anymore. It's good. The reason for it to be like this is because of the oxidation process. Oxidation is when something that has iron, which apple has a lot of iron cells in it, gets oxygen into it with some water molecules. It's still good. Really? Yeah. It's all gushy and mushy. Just eat it. Okay. You're right. It is good. Okay. I'm doing an experiment about apples just now. I have an apple inside a container with lemon juice and an apple in the open with lemon juice. As you see, it's been 3 days. And this is how it looks like. All smooshy and disgusting. And then this is the one in the open. They don't look much different. Now let's go over to the water. This is an apple in water in a closed container. Now this is getting kind of a bump. It's weird. And this is the one in the open, which is also getting a bump, but it's not as big. Over here, we have nothing. It's just an apple inside a container. And it has some little veins and wrinkles. But it's still fresh. Now, if you look over at the open one, it's like so small. It's like all squishy and bendy, and it's just not as fresh. Now over here, we have the disgusting one in the vinegar in a closed container. Ugh, it's so brown. I don't want to even touch it. And here is the one in the open, which is not as brown as the other one, but it's still disgusting.
Hi, my name is Carla.
And I'm Fernanda.
The materials you will need for our experiment are 2 apples cut into 4 slices, 8 containers, a knife, vinegar, lemon juice, and water.
Hi, my name is Alethea and I am going to do the procedures. As you can see, there's 8 containers, there's 4 closed and 4 open. You are going to get some apples, you are going to cut them and put some slices in lemon juice, one in lemon juice, one like open, one closed, one in water, open, one in water, closed, one closed with a lid on top, and one open with just the air. And then you are going to have another one with vinegar, open, and then another one with vinegar, closed. And that is it.
Okay. For this experiment, our hypothesis was that the apples that were in vinegar would be more oxidated than the ones in water and the ones in lemon juice. Vinegar has 2 oxygen molecules more than water's. We also thought that the ones in nothing would be more than all the other ones because it was pure oxygen. Then the ones in lemon juice, we thought it would be more, but we thought it was going to be more kind of like damaged because it's acid. The conclusion is that vinegar was the one that oxidated it the most, and it looks kind of rotten and it stinks. The one in water got bumps, and the ones that had nothing, they shriveled up. And the ones in lemon juice were actually really well preserved. They were like, on the back you could see this ring that had like, that separated the water. Our hypothesis was that the apple in lemon juice would be preserved because of its pH. The one in vinegar would be more oxidated because it has 2 oxygen molecules instead of the one in water, which has only 1 water molecule. The one in water, we thought that would absorb the water around it and that it would get bumps. The nothing would get, we thought that it would get shriveled up since it didn't have like anything, so it would get like kind of dried up.